Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update, in which Bitcoin is still very much bullish. We technically broke above this level here around 28,500, and apart from that, we just had a very volatile night. I mean, we had a move like this, which I have seen moves like that before. But it's been a while since I've seen a move like that, and usually, to be honest, it's not a great sign, but it could be. I mean, it's not that it happens every month, so we'll just have to see. But you can see just a big spike up, big spike down. Quite a lot of volume was added during this period of time, so it was really traded, but altogether, not much happened. I mean, you could say that we erased some sell orders, which is true, but that's probably about everything. So yeah, before we dive into the rest of Bitcoin, we'll take a look at some fundamentals as well. If you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description. I did a calculation on the profit since the start of the group 1.5 months ago, and it was 40%, so better than your bank, I think. But yeah, check that out if you're interested in that. But for now, let's dive right into Bitcoin a bit more. So yeah, as I said, technically we broke above this level here around 28,500, 28,400. That's kind of what we broke above. Perhaps we should drag it down like this. No, that's not true. But we're trying to, we're testing our previous highs, right? Around 28,700. All the way up to 28,900, and up until now we have not been successful in that, but I haven't seen Bitcoin bullish like this for a while. I mean, you could even argue that right now we're more bullish than we were the 22nd and the 23rd of March, when we also tried to get to our next price target, which technically is 29,500. It's 30,000 is very strong as well, but that level around 29,000 technically is a resistance as well, so that's my first price target normally. The dollar strength index right now is bullish on the very short term. I mean, this all happened in the last 9 minutes, I believe. So there's some bullish momentum, but altogether the trend is still very down, right? I mean, even if we would get up right now towards 103, then Bitcoin would drop down a bit, but still find support around 28,000, I think. So I mean, right now, evidently, I think, or naturally, because of the fundamentals and the technicals kind of added up, the most likely scenario seems to me that we will be able to get to our next resistance around 29,500. Just purely technically, we just had a bullish breakout. There's a lot of bullish momentum. We're in an uptrend. That seems like the most likely scenario. Now, however, there's something coming tomorrow which I think will have quite a bit of impact on the markets. And usually when we have an event coming up that has quite a bit of impact on the markets, usually we're a bit flat, a bit quiet ahead of that. Today we'll also have the initial jobless claims. So I think, to be honest, that that we will just get up towards 28,700, but that we will not break above that. And then if the initial jobless claims numbers are actually positive, then we might actually be able to get towards 29,500. But 30,000 I think is only possible with the big economic event, which I haven't talked about. And that's the PCE price index, which is basically like some sort of an inflationary measurement. If that's actually lower than expected, then we can actually rally up to 30,000. All right, so it depends on quite a lot of things for the PCE price index. I'll still be back tomorrow morning with another update, but for now, as I said, I think the initial jobless claims is going to make us move. But apart from that, if the numbers from the initial jobless claims are not positive, I do not think we're going to break above 28,700. To be honest, it's just if you zoom out to the daily, and I know that's kind of contradicting what I said. But if you zoom out to the daily, the 28,000 level is so strong. We could still rally up a bit. It's tough times. It's unpredictable times. For now, I think we'll stay flat, and I think we'll just move with the economic numbers coming out today and tomorrow. But I'll monitor it closely. I'll keep you updated on that if needed. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.